Want to skyrocket your website's credibility and turn visitors into paying customers? First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, hover over Plugins on the left sidebar and click Add New in the search bar. Type Google Reviews or Trustpilot review. Several plugins will appear. Look for a plugin with a good rating, a high number of installs, and recent updates. We want something reliable and well-maintained. Once you've found a suitable plugin, click Install Now, then activate after the installation is complete. Now, navigate to the plugin settings page. This might be located under Settings, or it might have its own dedicated menu item here. You'll need to connect the plugin to your Google Business profile. Most plugins will guide you through this process, which usually involves authorizing the plugin to access your Google account. For Trustpilot reviews, you'll likely need to enter your API keys. You can find these in your Trustpilot business account settings. Again, the plugin should provide clear instructions on how to obtain these keys. Customize the display settings. Choose how many reviews to show, how to sort them, and what layout you prefer. Some plugins even allow you to filter reviews based on star rating. Once you're happy with the settings, copy the shortcode provided by the plugin. Now, go to the page or post where you want to display your reviews and paste the shortcode. And that's it. Preview your page, and you should see your Google and Trustpilot reviews beautifully displayed, instantly boosting your website's credibility and helping to convert those visitors into happy customers. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful WordPress tips and tricks.